Hello kids, welcome to Lil Tots TV. Now come along, clap your hands and sing a song. Welcome to our jungle ride. Let's meet animals side by side. Are you ready? Please shout hooray! Our wild safari starts today. The first one is lion. Big and loud, roaring strongly, tall and proud. The king who rules the jungle wide, living with family in a pride. The next one is tiger. The tiger stripes are black on gold. The biggest cat, both brave and bold. It swims with ease in rivers deep. Its mighty secrets it can keep. The next one is elephant. The elephant's trunk is long and strong. Its floppy ears flap all day long. It munches leaves and fruits with cheer. The jungle shakes when it walks near. The next is giraffe. A giraffe is tall with neck so high. It eats the leaves that touch the sky. The tallest animal you will see, stretching upward, wild and free. The zebra stripes are black and white. It patterns different, none alike. It runs so fast across the land. Stripes keep it safe, help it stand. The next is bear. The bear is strong with mighty growl. It climbs up trees and gives a howl. It loves sweet honey, sticky and bright, and sleeps in caves all through the night. The next one is monkey. The monkey swings from tree to tree. It's playful, quick, and full of glee. Bananas make it smile so wide. Its silly tricks it cannot hide. The next one is cheetah. The cheetah runs with lightning speed, the fastest one on the land indeed. With spots upon its golden skin, it's always fast, it loves to win. The next is hop, hop, hop. The kangaroo carries its babies in a pouch. It jumps so far with legs so strong, bouncing happily all day long. The next one is crocodile. The crocodile wades in rivers deep with giant jaws and teeth that eat. It hides so still, then snaps one day. Careful now, don't get in its way. The next one is panda. The panda munches bamboo all day, chewing in a gentle way. Its round black eyes look soft and sweet. A cuddly bear we'd love to meet. The next wild animal is deer. The deer run fast with antlers tall. Graceful leaps, it outruns all. It loves green grass, it's quick and shy. It moves so gently, passing by. The next one is our clever fox. The fox is clever, sly and smart. It sneaks around with tricks to start. At night, it sings a funny song. Can you say ring ding 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 along? The next wild animal is hippopotamus. The hippo is big. It loves the stream. It puffs its cheeks and makes us scream. Though slow it looks, it runs with might, splashing water left and right. The next animal is rhinoceros. The rhino's horn is sharp and long. Its body is tough. Its legs are strong. It loves the mud and rolling round with heavy feet that shake the ground. The next one is owl. The owl says woo dark of night. It turns its head to left and right. It sees the world when others sleep. Its wisdom and its watch are deep. Next wild animal is snake. The snake goes slither, smooth and sly. It twists and turns as it goes by. It hisses and hides away. We watch it crawl but never play. Next comes wolf. The wolf cries "Ow!" to the moon so bright. It runs in packs through the forest night. Together strong, they hunt and play, howling loudly night and day. The next is gorilla. The gorilla's chest goes thump, thump, thump. It's big and strong with a giant jump. It eats green leaves and fruits so sweet with friendly eyes and hands and feet. Next is hyena. The hyena laughs a funny sound. It runs in packs across the ground. It's smart and sneaky, quick and sly. It giggles echo through the sky. The next wild animal is koala. Koala naps in trees so high. It hugs the branches by and by. It munches leaves of eucalyptus green, the sleepiest animal you ever seen. And kids, the last one is meerkat. The meerkat stands so tall and neat, balancing proudly on its feet. It guards its home. It looks around in sandy burrows underground. We met lions, tigers, bears, and more. Creatures we've always adored. From jungles, deserts, rivers too. The wild is full of life for you. Tell us kids, which one's the best? The panda, giraffe, or the lion's chest? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More adventures soon. We'll see you there. Thank you. Bye bye, kids.